Right. This is a really fun exercise using chromatic scales on the guitar. So chromatic scales, when you play on any instrument, when you just play in half steps or semitones, playing one note to the next. This is a really good exercise on the guitar to get used to moving from left to right, which is called shifting. It's also good to help you gain finger interdependence using each finger and having control. So when you're going through an exercise like this is the most basic way to do it, is just 4 notes, then shift, right? And so you can also go like this. If you look, you can go and play that pattern from each note or each fret. This would be called a permutation because you're making a pattern out of the chromatic scale. It's no longer a true chromatic scale moving up and down in half steps. All right, so I'm going to skip over all the technical stuff because I'm assuming if you tuned into this, you probably know what a chromatic scale is. And if you don't have a super deep understanding of how it sits on the guitar, it doesn't really matter. I think you could still work on this, okay? So what we're going to do is take this pattern, and instead of going like this, we're going to use carefully placed hammer-ons. So we're going to go like this. You're going to hammer 1 to 2, 3 to 4. So like this. Right? So we took this, and now we're going. Now on the way down, we do pull-offs, okay? That's a descending slur on the guitar. That'd be like this. And you may notice I started on the upbeat. So if you count it in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. So what this is we're trying to take a chromatic scale and apply what you could call jazz phrasing and articulation, all right? By placing slur here, it has the type of phrasing more commonly heard in jazz, which is hammering on to a downbeat from an upbeat. That's a very common place for a slur. Here's the same exact scale with no slurs starting on the downbeat. Now this is with the slurs. Totally different feel, right? So it just goes to show that it's not just the notes that you play, it's how you play them, right? So now you can go ahead and do this on every string. So let me put a metronome on, and better yet, I'm going to put on a beat from the app Drum Genius, which is a really fantastic app. And let's see, I think what we'll do is we'll pick a medium swing. So you take this beat, and that's your metronome. Now you do the next string. You can give yourself a pause here if you need it. 3. Next string. Next string. So again, we're hammering on 2 to 3, 1 to 2, then 3 to 4. On the pull-off, you're pulling off 4 to 3, then 2 to 1. All right, and it gives it really nice phrasing. Now what you can do is do that same thing, but do it in half steps like this. 2, 3, 4. It's great. And then if you put that sort of thing in